Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe to join the family Maureen Squad. I don't know if I'll call this channel Maureen Squad or Reen Squad. Everyone just comment down below, give me a name, cause it's going to be lit. I'm back. So guys, today I want to do a hair video. It's been long since I did my hair video, and you guys have been requesting them, and you have been loving my hair video, my natural hair videos. You guys, I've seen love from you guys. Si mnanipenda. Ebu jue hiyo story. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and also don't forget to like, so that YouTube can recommend my videos more and more, yeah? Because guys, this time you have not come to play, we are being serious here. So guys, today I want to finish another video that I'm doing. It's a vlog, so, and right now I want to do my hair video. So today is a really packed day. Let me go and wash my hair. Then I'm going to condition my hair. Like, I'm going to add in treatment and soothe my scalp, so my hair won't break again, because it may break juu ya kushukwa, but si sana. Like ile unachananga too, and then you find some hair on your comb, yeah? So guys, we are back with the hair video. And don't forget to subscribe, because it won't cost you anything. Imagine, it will never ever cost you anything to subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And also, you're going to do too much for me today. Just like, and imagine everything is free. You know why you're going to like this video? Because it's gonna be fun, educative, and informative, guys. So see you
every single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So guys, my hair is clean, and I want to add in my treatment. You've all seen this treatment. It's leave-in treatment from Radiant. Okay, I was adding in the light. I think that's okay. So my hair is still wet, kinda. And my hair has really grown, you guys. This thing is big. So I'm going to wait for it for 5 to 10 minutes so that my hair will be laid completely. And guys, as we wait, I'm going to do my makeup. So this is the extension I'm going to rock today. It's very bulky. It's called Temptation. It's very bulky.